Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's video, we will show you how to change taskbar size in Windows 11. The easiest way to change the Windows 11 taskbar size is with the Registry Edit. Go to Taskbar Search, type Registry Editor. Click on it and click on Yes in the pop-up window. A new window will open. Go to HKEY-Current-User folder. Go to Software folder. Click on Microsoft. Scroll down and look for Windows folder. Go to Current Version. Click on Explorer folder. Go to Advanced. Go to the right side of the window. Right-click on it and choose New DWORD 32-bit. Rename the file to TaskbarSi. Double-click on it to open. A new window will appear. Type the value data number. The bigger the number, the bigger the size of the taskbar. Click OK to apply. Restart the PC to apply the changes. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!